Hi guys. Okay, so I'm currently at the supermarket and I'm going to hop in and get cane for Hakeem because I was passing our fruit vendor and I realized that they had melon, but they don't, our usual fruit vendor doesn't sell cane. So I'm going to pop in and see if I can get cane for Hakeem. You want to just send me a look? You remember how to send location?
No, yeah.
All right, it's okay. I'll find you then.
All right.
So I just want. Right, hey guys. So change of plans. I actually was home at the gate. My parents called and said that they were coming into Kingston. So I did have my Mother's Day gift from my mom. I wanted to get to her and I wasn't sure I was able to get it to her next week because next week is actually Mother's Day. So I wanted to say let me see you. And yeah, because I think they said they're gonna spend the night in Kingston, but they're probably gonna stay with my sister. But I'm not sure what they're doing. She said that she had a breadfruit for me, but it's unroasted and I live in an apartment. There's no way I'm roasting a breadfruit. And we did actually purchase breadfruit from our breadfruit guy. So we had about 3 breadfruits and we have 2 still untouched in the fridge. Well, 2.5 because I don't think we had the full breadfruit of 1 full breadfruit. So we're all breadfruit out. I'm just waiting on them right now. They should be here soon. I told them where I'm at, so should be able to find where I'm at. Good morning guys, happy Monday. Yeah, so I am here. I need to fix my hair. My hair is looking very crazy. It's very dry right now because it's been air drying. I am having a dilemma with my hair. At this point, I'm going to see if I can do something. I'm going to plait it up. I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah. So yeah, it's really early. I need to just get my hair together and then get into my work day because I don't know what to do with myself, guys. I don't know. I'm very stressed out with my hair. It's so dry all the time and I don't know. I think it's just the texture of my hair. I think it's the health of my hair as well because I don't drink a lot of water. I'm not moisturizing it. But right now, all I want to do is just put it back in braids. And I just don't have the energy to comb it at all. It feels very stressful for me. I try to put it in one. I don't want to have to put it in one because if I'm to put my hair in one, I have to, it's not long enough where I don't have to use product to catch up my hair. If my hair was longer, I could just kind of, do a thing and it would be fine. But I have to use, because see, it's not long enough to catch up and all this is going to be there. So once it gets to that point, I don't have to use as much product. But for right now, I am product dependent and I have to use a lot of gel and everything, and then I sweat in my hair as well, in my head as well. So that's another thing. If I was in a cooler climate, I wouldn't be sweating in my head. Yeah, I don't know if I'd actually introduced the vlog because I feel like this is gonna be the proper start of a new vlog. So yeah, if you're tuning in, I appreciate you tuning in, stopping by to watch. I'm Kimberley. This is Kimberley Vlogs XO. I'm going through a hair journey, as you can see. But if you like what you're seeing so far, please hit like and also please hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate the support. And yeah, yesterday you'd have seen me go on a little brunch date with a friend, and I haven't seen her in such a long time, and she's always such a sweetheart to be around. So I was excited to be able to see her, and we're trying to be better and not meet once a year. Anyway guys, but yeah, that was yesterday. So today is now Monday and I need to hurry up and do my hair so I can get into my work day properly and figure out lunch as well, because I think for lunch today I'm going to have boiled eggs, sardine, and some guacamole. I think that's what I'm gonna do for breakfast, for my lunch, because I'm not eating breakfast. I did have my fiber this morning, so I had Metamucil fiber, which is kind of hurting my tummy a little bit, and I think it's because I'm not drinking enough water, which I always talk about not drinking enough of. Kim, come on. Sip. And also, coming up, I should tell you, coming up after this vlog, so stay tuned to the next vlog, because we're going to be camping. We've been wanting to go camping for a while. We're going to this beautiful place. I'm going to show you. It's in Outttt. It's in Fern Gully. So I'm going to show you guys all about that and carry you along for that. And you can always watch previous vlogs. If you're looking to go to Peru, I have a vlog about that, and also I do have a travel guide for Peru if you're looking to go to Bogota, Colombia, Medellin, Colombia, Iceland, Costa Rica, Mexico City. Those places I've vlogged all of them, and created guides for all of them except Iceland and Costa Rica. I need to figure that out. And Dominican Republic, that was years back. Dominican Republic as well. So this is a travel space, but it's also my life space. So I do day in the life, and then I also do travel stuff. But if you want core travel stuff, you can visit the Country Edit Xoxo and see all that travel goodness. So the links to all the travel guides that I have made, they're in the description below. So you can check that if you don't want to go and watch all the videos, but the travel guides are in the description below. I will see you guys in a few. I'm not going to show you guys me doing my hair because I'm figuring it out as I go, but I will show you the finished product. Oh my god, guys, I am so frazzled. I'm so frazzled. It is now 5:19, so I don't know where I am with the vlog, which day I last vlogged you guys. Well, I guess once I'm editing I'll know. Oh, another thing, this weekend, I think I would have mentioned it before, but this weekend we do have a getaway coming up. It's gonna be a camping trip. So I'm really excited about that. So this vlog, right after this vlog, is gonna be that vlog. So it's gonna be a dedicated vlog, so that you can, you know, sit down and watch it and enjoy, hopefully. So we've been wanting to go there. It's in Fern Gully, that's in Outttt. So we're excited, and what we're gonna do also is take the long route. So we're gonna get some really nice drone footage and make it up real nice for you guys. Stay tuned for that. Don't forget to hit subscribe so that you won't miss. Oh, and turn on, I don't think I've ever prompted you guys to turn on post notifications. There is a bell icon right beside the subscribe button, and once you click that, it will allow you to see everything all the time that we post. Because I notice it sometimes for persons that I will subscribe to on YouTube, that a lot of the times if I don't check for them, I don't see their vlogs. So I hope that's not what's happening with my channel as well for you guys. Comment below if you see when I post, like if you get a notification or anything like that. Because if you're subscribed, I don't know why they do that. I don't know. But if you're subscribed and you're not seeing my post, maybe you need to turn on your post notifications and you'll get it when I upload. I'm 2 minutes out from my appointment. And one thing with them people at Haven Beauty, they are on time. So once they give you a time, at the time that, and I like that because I can count on them. And that's the thing too, you know guys, because a lot of times I feel like people think that if you work remotely, you're remotely working. And that is not the case. Sometimes your time is not really your own because you have more time to work, so you get more work to do. And then other times you can really manage your timing, but there are certain times, especially from my area, where it can be very project heavy, or it can be very time sensitive. That's what gets me a lot of the times with my area. So like an evening like this now, where I mean my work day ends at 4:15, but it's now 5:30, and I had an appointment for 5:30. On a day like today where it was pretty hectic, Not crazy hectic though. It got more hectic toward the end of the day though, which is why I'm in this situation now. But all right guys, I'm here. Yay, I made it. Can I tell you that we refill our water bottles, like big 5-gallon bottles, and all of the water them dash way in the back seat. So when I first came into the car for this morning, it smelled so wet, and I was wondering why in here smells so wet and musty and everything. I checked a while ago because I had to run out on the road this morning, right? I checked a while ago coming back into the car, and it smells so musty, and it was literally the water bottles, the 5-gallon water bottles, them dash way in the car. So right now the car smells so wet. Thank God it's clean water, but we're gonna have to get the car washed and just dealt with. I don't know if it's tomorrow, so Hakeem's supposed to start that out, because that's a blue job. I don't do blue jobs. That's a blue job, guys. I do pink jobs. I don't make sometimes you have to flex. Anyway, so I'm out. Oh, I bought slippers from this store named Sammy's in Halfway Tree. So this is one of them that I got. This color, this green color, is really, really nice, and I got the black to go with. So the other one, because they had a sale, if you ever got two, we got them for $3,000. So I got this. It's so cute. And I got this, literally I just changed my slippers because I have on my yard slippers, and I just put that on, and now I'm heading out. It's 5:32. Good morning guys. Happy, what is today? Today's Thursday, I think. I've been up for a while. I've been trying to get myself together. The usual work stuff and everything. I know yesterday was a little bit chaotic. I don't know how, at the filming of this clip, I don't know how everything is looking. But we should have enough for a full vlog this week. I always say that, and then I end up having a full vlog for the week. I'll show you guys my hairstyle. I didn't get to show you guys. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful that I'm able to work with persons who do services like this and are able to offer late appointments. So that way I'm able to like balance and everything for my days. So I was able to do my hair the other evening, and this is how my hair is looking. It's a quick style. I could not manage combing my hair, and then also my nails, I was able to do them late as well. I'm so happy that, it's hard because my Saturdays, usually if I'm trying to book one of my people on a Saturday, they're not available. So because I'm not able to say, oh, let me just book way in advance, because especially since we do travel content, and then sometimes you have to kind of be up and down. I never know how my Saturdays or my weekends are gonna be. For my birthday stuff, I booked that way in advance. So like my hair appointment is booked for next month already, and I'm already in May. So that one I just locked down because I know I'm gonna have to do that. But for like everyday in between styles, even doing my nails, I kind of just go with the flow and grab whenever I'm able to get an appointment, because I can't schedule so far in advance, but I try to keep it up, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, so I was able to squeeze in a couple of appointments this week, and I'm happy. This didn't take that long. It took like 2 hours to do this. So I'm liking it. I just wanted to try out a style. I wanted to get my hair off of my plate, and I'm liking it. I'm not loving it yet because I don't know, I feel like I have a weird head shape, but I love the style, and I love how she did it. So I think it's cute, but my head shape kind of weird. I don't know. That's just me. I try to maintain myself on my off season, so to speak, because even if I'm on off season for like just, you know, I don't have anything special coming up, we may or may not have a collaboration to do, a travel collab, we may or may not be just going randomly to pick up content, or to go out, or just even like in life, like you want to feel put together. So I try to keep my nails done, I try to keep my hair done as best as I can, and that's just for me, how I keep my mental at a certain level, like how I keep myself up. When I look presentable, I feel good. Even though I'm in the house a lot of the times, I work from home, but I may randomly have to go on the road, because guys, let me tell you, anytime I leg on myself and say, oh, I'm gonna go on the road, that is when I bump up into people that I know or haven't seen in a while, or I haven't corresponded with, or somebody that if they see me, I want them to see the best of me. You know what I mean? So I said to myself, listen, I'm not gonna be caught slipping, because that has happened to me one too many times. One specific time in my brain was when my choir director from when I was in community college, I used to be on the choir because I used to sing competitively, and I just followed Hakeem on the road. It was like a late night thing because I think he was gonna go pick up something. I think we were picking up something to eat or whatever. I don't remember what it was, but went on the road and I was like, oh, I'm staying in the car, because my hair was not done. I had it tied down. I had like shiny bumps, and then I tied it down, and then I was not presentable. I wore the worst thing, and I was in the car. And so said, so done. Hakeem went down to go collect the food. He left me in the car, and coming back up, guess who I saw Hakeem in tow with? One of my school friends, his wife. I don't think they were married at the time, but they're married now, and my former choir director. And it's not like but I hadn't seen him in a while. It's just a person that was special to me in that time. And then also my friends were there. So, and I was just in the car like, and he was looking at me all funny because he was saying, why Kim not come out to the car and greet me? Like, you get that vibe where you get? I mean, I said, gosh. And when we were done with the interaction, I was like, Hakeem, oh, you have to bring him up here, well, you have to carry him to me in the car like that. And he said he tried to tell them not to come, but my friend who was there with his wife was the instigator and said, no man, I could go see Kim. And Hakeem said he could not wriggle his way out of it. I said, listen guys, and knowing my friend, and me know I saw him stay. He might be like, no sir, I could go. I know his personality, so me know sir Hakeem gonna wriggle. I was so, that is the thing that sticks out in my mind. That is the thing that sticks out in my mind that makes me say, no, if me I go nowhere, if me I do nothing on a random Tuesday, I need to be presentable, because me make myself shame. That was like a lot for me. So that's just me. That's just my little rant for now.
Oh, yay! Oh, thank you.
I got a kettle. Thank you. Ah, that is nice. Thank you, babe. Okay guys, I just finished seasoning up the chicken. I tried to show as much of it as possible, but I really cut up the seasoning and things like that. I did do 2 separate portions of chicken, so it was a whole mixed part of chicken, and I did half in stew. Well, I add browning, so I'm intending to brown stew that at a later date. But sometimes when we get the time, we'll buy like a lot of chicken and then season it up and have parcels in the freezer so we can just go for them whenever we need to make like a quick meal. But for this batch, I did 2. This seasoning process, I did 2 batches. So as I said, today I want to do curry chicken. So I'm gonna see. Listen, the plan is to do the curry chicken. I've seasoned it up. It's in the fridge setting. And the other portion I put in the freezer for a later date, or if Hakeem wants it. It's more pieces that Hakeem would eat anyway, so I feel like he'd probably cook up those pieces of chicken. But for today, I'm going to make curry chicken, white rice, and tomato cucumber salad. But I'm going to see how my day goes, because I do have something. Oh, I have a meeting right now, actually. So I'm just trying to sign into that. I completely lost track of time, but I'm able to join right now, so really quick. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack my eggs, and I'm gonna have them with tuna. I'm gonna use a spicy chili tuna because I had some tuna left over, I think that's what I'm gonna have for lunch. So yeah, this is gonna be my lunch. It's really sparse, but I will drink something to supplement. I'm gonna make like a chocolate shake in a bit, but this is what I'm feeling for right now. Oh, I have some quinoa in the fridge that I need to use up. And one thing I noticed with quinoa, if you have it for too long, it will start to go weird. So I'm gonna put some in a little container. This little bowl right here. I'm gonna put 3 tablespoons of quinoa in that, maybe 4, and just heats up for like 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna add it to the side of this. I'll just put it on the side like this. I'll have my eggs, a little bit of tuna, and the quinoa, and that will be my lunch for today. Hi guys, just taking a little break because I'm eating my lunch and trying to finish up some work. But I wanted to just come in and formally end the vlog here because I am going to pick up the next vlog, and that will be our trip to the campgrounds in Fern Gully. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog, and if you like what you see, and if you have not already, please hit subscribe and don't forget to like and share. All right, until next time, bye.